Taking care of your skin is important to maintain its clarity and smoothness. To do this, establish a regular skincare routine and take preventative measures to avoid skin damage. Start by choosing a gentle cleanser that matches your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination. Wash your face twice a day, especially at night, to remove dirt, makeup, and other impurities. Moisturize your skin after washing it and before applying makeup, using a moisturizer that is free of harsh ingredients. Protect your skin from the sun by using a moisturizer with at least SPF 30. Exfoliate a few times a week to even out your skin, but avoid overdoing it to prevent dryness or irritation. Be mindful of pressure on your skin from items like phones or hats, as repeated contact of this sort can lead to breakouts, and avoid touching your face to prevent the introduction of bacteria. Wash any active breakouts with a gentle cleanser and be cautious of using products that can dry out or irritate your skin. Lastly, use oil-free skincare products to prevent clogged pores and avoid the development of pimples.